Bleeding gums and teeth can be a sign of a more serious problem, but it can also be treated with home remedies. This video will discuss some of the most effective home remedies for bleeding gums and teeth, including saltwater rinses, oil pulling, and baking soda. We will also discuss the causes of bleeding gums and teeth and how to prevent them from happening. Watch this video to learn about these home remedies and how to use them effectively. Bleeding gums and teeth is a situation where there is bleeding of the tissues surrounding your teeth. Various issues can cause this condition, but it is often associated with gingivitis and periodontitis. These two diseases affect your gums and may cause them to bleed. Gingivitis is an inflammation of the gums that various factors can cause. Bacteria often leads to this condition, and the most common cause is plaque, which builds up on your teeth throughout the day as you don't brush your teeth properly. It is also a prevalent cause of gum disease, leading to bleeding gums. Periodontitis is a condition that affects the tissues that surround your teeth and your gums. It is also often caused by bacteria and plaque, as with gingivitis. So here are the best home remedies for bleeding gums and teeth. 1. Cleanse the mouth with salt water. If your mouth is dirty, it will be challenging to get rid of bleeding gums. You can cleanse the mouth with a mixture of water and a teaspoon of salt. Stir it well, and then rinse your mouth. Do this for at least 5 minutes to see the results. It will also help to prevent further bleeding after the cleaning. 2. Clean the mouth with organic vinegar. If you eat acidic foods for an extended time, your gums may bleed. You can cleanse the mouth with a mixture of water and organic vinegar. It will help neutralize the acid, prevent further bleeding, and get rid of bad breath. You can also use it as a mouthwash after you brush your teeth. 3. Drink a glass of water after eating. After eating, you should always drink water to protect your teeth. When you do not drink enough water, your body will try to compensate by producing more saliva. If you do not have enough saliva, then it is possible that bacteria can grow in the back of your mouth and cause tooth decay. A glass of water will help to flush the mouth and prevent tooth decay. 4. Brushing your teeth with fluoride toothpaste. After eating acidic foods, you should always brush your teeth to remove bacteria and plaque. If you do not clean your teeth, it will be effortless for food particles to get stuck in between them. Your teeth will also start to have a yellow and brown color. They can cause bad breath, tooth decay, and bleeding when this happens. Brushing your teeth with fluoride toothpaste can help you prevent these problems. The toothpaste contains natural ingredients that can reduce the bacteria in your mouth, remove plaque, and protect the enamel. 5. Floss your teeth. With the help of floss, you can remove food particles and bacteria from between your teeth. The floss is a thin wire that you wet in water and then use to scrape the teeth. The floss is usually used with your fingers, but you may also use a toothpick. You can also use tweezers to remove food particles from between your teeth. Flossing is a great way to prevent cavities, but it can be challenging if not done right. Try using a floss holder or toothpick holder so you can hold the floss while you do it. Also, this method is the best way to prevent tooth decay, plaque, and bad breath. It can help you improve your overall oral hygiene. Additionally, this technique is pretty simple to execute. 6. Brush your teeth with baking soda and water. If you are worried about the amount of acidity in your mouth after eating, you can use baking soda to neutralize the pH. The baking soda will remove the acidity of your mouth, and it is excellent for your teeth. It will also remove plaque from your teeth, and it is a great way to prevent tooth decay. Baking soda is also safe for you. It is not harmful to your body and easily dissolves when you swallow it. This method is a good technique for you to use if you have bad breath or want to whiten your teeth, and it will help you improve your overall oral hygiene. 7. Eat green vegetables. If you are one of those suffering from bleeding gums, you should try to eat more green vegetables. Green vegetables contain iron, a good mineral essential for your body. Eat lots of spinach and get calcium in your diet. You will be amazed by the difference it makes to your oral health. 8. Eat more fiber. Another good way to improve your oral health is by eating more fiber. You can get fiber in many different ways, but the best way is by consuming whole grain loaves of bread and cereals. Fiber is food consumed in the form of grains and vegetables. It is important to include fiber in your diet to help prevent diseases, including tooth decay and periodontitis. It helps to remove toxins from your body and keeps you regular. 9. Take multivitamins. Many people don't get enough vitamin B12 in their diet, but it is vital for oral health. This vitamin is used to produce red blood cells and helps prevent tooth decay. It is essential to get enough vitamin B12 in your diet because it can help you prevent oral illnesses such as gingivitis. 10. Eat more fruit. You should also eat more fruit, especially if you have bleeding gums. Fruits have a high concentration of vitamin C, which is very beneficial for oral health. It also has other nutrients that benefit your overall health, such as fiber and potassium. 11. Get a fluoride rinse. Get a fluoride rinse at the dentist's office if you have bleeding gums. A fluoride rinse helps to prevent tooth decay and bleeding. The fluoride fights the bacteria that cause tooth decay. It also helps reduce inflammation in your gums and even prevents gum recession. As you can see, there are many home remedies for bleeding gums and teeth. While some work better than others, they all have the same goal: to help improve the condition of your gums and teeth and prevent further problems. If you are experiencing bleeding gums or teeth, try out one of the remedies mentioned earlier and see if it works. If not, keep trying until you find one that does the trick or seek specialist help from your dentist. And always remember to brush and floss your teeth regularly to help keep them healthy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 16 natural ways to reverse gum disease. Thanks for watching and bye for now.